What's up, guys? So one of my managers from work just gave me like a few products to shoot. Let me just show it to you guys. So these products here, she kind of makes her own like tea company and she wants me to do product photography with them. I bought these flowers a few while ago, lemon, and I literally put honey into a jar so it looks nice. So that's the product there. So a company name. So I bought these little props. I have some more stuff over here on the couch. And that's my tripod. So these boards and stuff. So you can see the room, it's really not that fancy at all. So we're going to be doing it in that corner there mainly. And first thing I want to do is close the curtains up because they're very bright. And I kind of want to have controlled light with these three. Okay, this is our first setup. We got the Pixel G1S over here, which is on orange light, the Pixel G1 with white light, and that's how it looks so far. And it looks really cool if you tell me. Doesn't really look it here, but when you look at it through the lens and the viewfinder, it's something like that, a bit of editing, and it looks really cool. If you look at it from here as well. So because I want to see her name of the product, I'll probably put the lemon like that a bit and then play around with it. But yeah, that's the first picture. I'll put it on the screen next after this just so you guys can see how it looks. I might move up these flowers a bit more closer and just tighten up a bit more. It's a bit too much negative space like here. So let's see where we go from here. Cool, on to the next picture. The hardest part about all of this is cleaning all this mess up again. It's just getting everywhere. But you know what, at the end I think the pictures will be really worth it. I'm kind of using the tripod for light source and I'm using the lemons as like weights on the paper in the magazine book. I don't know if I like it. I was thinking more like the yin yang kind of signs, where it's like black on one side and I'm holding one light here so it's not so bright. So something like that, something like this, like really minimal, which is black and white and light. I did make the tea. The tea is bedtime detox, so I don't know if I want to take it right now. So that's what the thing is. I might add a bit more props, see how it works out. But this one's kind of looking really, not working for me. Alright, so this one's kind of done. A bit of B-roll over here and we can move on to the next picture. But again, a lot of mess. Honey over here, honey over there. I spilled tea as well, so I was cleaning that up. Me in the kitchen. It's a very hard job for me. Yep, you're seeing the last photo that I just took. I'm using this incense for smoke and I'm gonna Photoshop them in kind of thing. Alright, so one tripod there is still sunny outside and you can see the kind of photo we took. The incense in there, there's water here just to get a bit more reflection, and I had a bit too many scratches and smudges, so to take it off I put water on it. And the other tripod here. That's how it looks from far. Hopefully the cup didn't get damaged, but not a bad photo to be honest. Can't wait to edit this. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, so that's that. Let me just open up the curtains, it's way too dark in here. I'm gonna leave the others closed. Alright, so that's all done. I'm gonna end the video here, putting my elbow on the tripod, it's so heavy, the camera. Alright, So I think we've got like 5 or 6 different photos. And if you guys want to see this one more time, I'll just show you the setup of the last one. So that's how it looked. I used glue tack for the paper. Glue tack over there on both sides. And glass table and water again, just to remove the scratches and anything. Alright, so I guess we're going to end it there. And I hope you guys like the photos. Let me know what you think. I think it's all about just being creative as much as you can. Like, I had no idea what I'm doing here, but then I was like, oh wait, let me add the water to remove the scratches, because wiping it wasn't working. The incense for the smoke, I was actually gonna do it in Photoshop, like add artificial, but then I thought, you know what, let me just make my own, and then the idea came to me. Yeah, now time to clean this mess up. And I guess that's it. Enjoy the smoke.